Sakafet YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Let us make this gorgeous deep pan chicken pizza. Hello my darlings, it's so nice to have you back here in my kitchen for yet another amazing recipe. Today we're making some pizza. So in my stand mixer, I went in with 4 cups of plain flour, some sugar, yeast, salt and baking powder, and I went ahead and gave it a really good mix just to combine all of the dry ingredients. I'm now using 300 ml of lukewarm water and I'm gonna add that in gradually. If you're using your hand, make sure to add the water in gradually, okay? Once all my water was in, my dough was formed and all I had to do was to just let it rest. Now before it rests, I actually went ahead and mixed in a little bit of butter and then mixed it for another minute or so, and we're gonna cover it up to rest while we work on that chicken topping. This is my dough all done. As you can see, it's not too sticky, it's gorgeous. I did mix for about 15 minutes. For my chicken, I'm going in with some chicken thighs fillets that's already sliced up. Season lightly with a little salt, all-purpose seasoning, mixed herbs, garlic and onion powder, a little curry powder and some paprika. Give that a really good mix. And then we're going to stand it to one side to marinate for about 10 minutes. Once it's all marinated, I actually went ahead and chopped up some bell peppers. You can also add in some onion as well. It didn't show me chopping up the onion, but I did add half an onion as well. So to a clean pan, I went in with some oil and then I'm gonna go ahead and cook my chicken pieces. Now this should take no more than 6 to 8 minutes to cook. As you can see, the pieces are not too big and it's boneless, so you know it will cook really quickly, right? Go ahead and add in your peppers and onions as soon as your chicken is cooked, because we're gonna let it saute for about 2 minutes because we want this to still be a little bit crunchy when we add it on top of our pizza. Go ahead and season lightly with a little all-purpose seasoning on the top of those peppers, and then you want to give that final mix. Let it saute 1 more minute and then we're gonna turn it off to allow it to cool. So to my dough, I went ahead and I just rolled it out into a ball. Now, the one thing that I did find is that this could actually make 2 pizzas, but for some reason I decided to go 1 just because I wanted a deep crust. If you're more of a thin crust type of person, go ahead and just section this into 2 equal parts and then you can roll it out. But yes, my darling, this was actually shaping up so beautifully to be a nice flatbread, but I changed my mind and I just rolled it out as best as I could. Put it onto my tray that's lined with baking paper, and then I preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius while I work on those toppings. So for toppings, I'm going in with some tomato sauce. Using the back of the spoon, I'm gonna go ahead and spread it out, not going too far along to the edges. And then I'm gonna add the first layer of mozzarella cheese, followed by my beautiful chicken mix, and then topping it off with some more mozzarella cheese and some parsley. This is so easy, so simple, and honestly, this dough can work for any pizza of your choice. It's all done, it should look something like this. Absolutely gorgeous. Go ahead and bake it for about 12 to 15 minutes until it looks something like that. Oh my gosh, guys, this was so tasty, so good. Honestly, I couldn't wait to dive in. I couldn't find my pizza cutter, so I used my knife to just slice this up. And do you see how thick and chunky? Look at the crust. It looks so good. Like, it was just so filling, so beautiful. Like, guys, you cannot go wrong. I really hope you enjoy this yummy pizza recipe. Try it soon. You can use this same dough recipe for any pizza toppings of your choice. And yes, my darlings, let me know in the comments, what sort of toppings do you like on your pizza? This slice is for you. Do you see how close I'm putting it to the camera? Go ahead and take a bite. Thank you for watching. Purchase my new cookbook, Bon Manger. Bon Manger translates to good food in St. Lucian Creole, and this cookbook is basically a little taste of St. Lucian and Caribbean cuisine. It's packed with recipes. Packed, I mean 50 plus. Got all these lovely recipes. Gorgeous, and it's literally only $24.99. You can click the link down below in the description box if you'd like to purchase my book. And guys, once again, thank you so much for all of your support. To all of you who've been purchasing my book, to all of you who have it already, honestly, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.